Hi, welcome to BG Vocals. My name is Billy Gullner. I'm a singer and voice teacher based in Vancouver, Canada. I also teach ukulele, piano, and guitar. Today, I'm going to teach you the 4 chords you need to know to play ukulele. The first thing you need to know is that for ukulele, we refer to our fingers as fingers 1, 2, 3, and 4. So once again, that's fingers 1, 2, 3, and 4. It's a little bit different from piano where we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ukulele, again, is 1, 2, 3, 4, which is the same as guitar. So with the ukulele, these are our frets, fret 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. And our strings, we've got our G string, our C string, our E string, and our A string. If you have any questions about tuning your guitar, I have made a video about tuning the ukulele that you can check out in my channel just below. So the first chord we're going to talk about is C major. For your C major chord, you're going to take your third finger, so that's your ring finger, and place it on the 3rd fret on your bottom string, so that's your A string. And there you go, you've got your C major chord. So from your C major chord, we can let that go. Now, if you take your 2nd finger and reach it across to your 1st string, 2nd fret, there's your A minor chord. So we have our C major chord, and we have our A minor chord. From here, to get to your F major chord from A minor, you're going to take your 1st finger and you're going to go to the 3rd string, 1st fret. So once again, so I've got my A minor chord, and now your 1st finger is going to go to that 3rd string, so that's your going to your E string, and you're pressing down on the 1st fret. Now you've got your F major chord. So once again, we've got C major, reaching across, we've got A minor, 1st finger goes down, 3rd string, 1st fret, there's your F major chord. Now from here, we want our G7 chord. So for G7, your 2nd finger is going to go down just 1 string. And your 3rd finger is going to wrap underneath to your bottom string on the 2nd fret. And now you have your G7 chord. So if we go back to F major, so we've got our 2nd finger's there. And then we bring the 2nd finger down 1 and our 3rd finger wraps underneath. And then you've got your G7 chord. So let's review that. So we have our C major chord. 3rd finger is on the 3rd fret, and then for A minor, our 2nd finger reaches across. For F major, we're going to put our 1st finger down on the 3rd string, 1st fret. For G7, 2nd finger comes down 1, and 3rd finger wraps underneath. And then we end with C major. Now these are the 4 chords you need to know, but that's not the order that you're going to want to play them in. The most famous chord progression of all time is our 1, 5, 6, 4 chord progression. And there are millions of songs in the world that use this chord progression. And this chord progression is what we call a cyclical chord progression, which means that most of the time when it's used, it repeats over and over and over through the whole song, through the verses, the chorus, the bridge, and so on and so forth. Not always, but most of the time. So what we're going to do is we're going to do this chord progression in that order. So we're going to go C for 4 beats, G7 for 4 beats, A minor for 4 beats, F for 4 beats. And you'll notice that I'm keeping the strumming pattern very simple. It's very easy to get lost in a pretty complex strumming pattern, but for now we're just going to keep it very simple, what we call 4 on the floor. Blah, 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 blah. What we call 4 on the floor. So it's just bump, 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 bump. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's give that a go. So we're going to start again with C major. 1, 2, 3, 4, C major, G7, A minor, F major, C major, G7, A minor, F major, C major, G7, A minor, F major, C major. Now, there are so many songs that use this chord progression, and the truth is that most songs can be sung using this chord progression. Now you can take this chord progression, you can write a song over top of this chord progression, or you can realize that a lot of songs that already exist can be sung over this chord progression. For example, Someone Like You by Adele, or Don't Stop Believing by Journey. There are so many pop songs that can be sung over this chord progression. Let me know in the comments below which songs you've sung over this chord progression, or if you've written a song using this chord progression from this video, please share. I would love to check it out. Once again, my name is Billy Gollner, and if you're interested in taking a voice lesson with me, or a guitar, piano, or ukulele lesson, please check out my website, bgvocals.com. And I wish you all the best. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and click subscribe. I look forward to hearing your thoughts on this video. Peace.